Welcome, Cares. Today we will do reading of some simple sentences. Let's start. He is Ben. He is Ben. Ben has a pen. Ben has a pen. Ben drew a hen with his pen. Ben drew a hen with his pen. Oh, Ben lost his pen. Ben lost his pen. Ben went to the den to find his pen. Ben went to the den to find his pen. Ben saw a hen in the den. Ben saw a hen in the den. Ben saw his pen under the hen. Ben saw his pen under the hen.
Yay!
Ben found his pen. Ben found his pen. Ben. B-E-N. Ben. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Den. D-E-N. Den. The House of Lion. If you like this video and learned something new, please like and subscribe. Fun for everyone. Thanks for watching.